Are you ready to have your mind blown? Rainbow Jello shots in a cup. Okay, now these are cool as hell, and if you don't think so, you need to step outside because we have to have words. So we get red Jello and hot water. Okay, stir. Okay, beautiful. What's next? We got yellow Jello and hot water. Stir. Okay, beautiful. What's next? We have green Jello and hot water. See, I'm trying to remember what's coming, okay? Even before the words appear on the screen. Stir. Okay, what's next? Maybe blue? Blue Jello and hot water. Stir. Okay, so you get this. We have an array of colors, okay? Nice. Now you put those aside, let them cool down, okay? And then we come behind with a little bit of vodka in each one of these bad boys, okay? A little touch of Vladimir Putin, a touch of Russia. You know, this one's for you, okay? So you have red, yellow, green, and blue. And we stir that in. Okay. Now let's get down to mixing. All right, guys, you ready? Now let's get down to mixing. Okay, so we pour a little bit of red in each one. Notice how we have the glasses in an ice cube tray at an angle. And we did some red, some blue. And we put that in the fridge to harden, okay? Break those out and then you pour on another color, okay? We follow that with the green. See what we're doing here, boys and girls? A little bit with the green, beautiful. We did this one with the yellow. Nice. You can play with the colors. You put them in the order that you like. Put that in the fridge to harden. Then we come back with another color. Okay, green. On green, okay. That's too much. Beautiful. Put that in the fridge to harden. Okay, then we come with the yellow. Yellow. Harden. Break it back out. Okay. And now, at this point, we just fill the rest with the remaining color. Okay. So for that one, it would be blue. For this one, it would be red. You see what I'm saying? Cool, right? Spectacular, man. These are fun. So you have these crazy rainbows. Look at them. That is awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. Look at them moving around on their own. Okay, it's magic. Get your spoon. Okay, stick it in and you're good to go. So for your next party, you better be drinking these. Sorry, not drinking, eating these. Okay, spooning these. Whatever you want to call it. Stay tipsy.